to the first video in our balance series. In this video, I'll be introducing the importance of balance and getting the most out of your studies and time at university, highlighting some of the challenges to achieving it, and I'll also be introducing what we'll be exploring in the videos in the rest of this series, which will offer some guidance on how to achieve a better study and life balance. Why is balance important? Setting the intention to achieve a good balance between your studies and the rest of your life while at university is key to the success of your whole university experience. Sometimes we can feel guilty when we take a break from our studies, but hopefully you'll see from this series, taking a break will actually help you to study better. And just in the same way, we can't simply always just do the fun stuff, as then we fall behind on our work. This is why what we're ideally looking for is a balance somewhere in between these two. And some of the benefits to achieving this balance include higher levels of happiness and fulfillment, an increase in productivity and reducing stress. Other benefits also include improving your mental and physical health, improving your relationships with others while increasing your motivation, creative thinking, and confidence. As you can see, there are a lot of benefits. However, we do also recognise that although achieving balance is a simple concept, it doesn't mean it's easy, and we're all going to find times when it's more difficult. What can make balance difficult? There are lots of challenges to achieving good balance, as this will depend on your individual circumstances and needs, pinch points in the academic year, if you're working alongside your studies, if you find it hard to say no to plans, and other life events. In other words, at times you might be balancing a lot of different commitments. And we're not aiming for a perfect balance. In fact, I don't think that really exists. However, taking steps towards a better balance can help to improve your well-being as well as improve your ability to study. So, where to start? A good starting point is acceptance and self-compassion. It's important to be realistic and accept where you're currently at, and to be kind. Being hard on ourselves when we don't get it right is only going to make us feel worse. It's far better to acknowledge when it feels like the balance is off, and then to think about positive actions you can take to address this, making sure to start with small and manageable changes. In the rest of the videos in this series, we will explore some different ideas that may help to get you started, but are by no means exhaustive. These include an activity to understand your current balance, called the 3 Ps, the importance of taking breaks and sleep, and guidance for holistic study planning. Check them out and see what you think.